Good morning, class 12th. This is your subject Business Studies, chapter number 11, Marketing, lecture number 2. Hello, dear students. In our last lecture, I told you about marketing is functions. Fine. Let's start this lecture. There are 5 philosophies of marketing. First of all, production concept, product concept. Fine. Selling concept, marketing concept, and societal concept. So, first of all, we will study production concept. In the earlier days of industrial revolution, the number of products were limited. So, limited supply of industrial products was there that was not able to match demand. So, anyone who was able to produce goods could easily find buyers for the same. So, they are saying some companies believe that it is easy to sell products when products are inexpensive, means at reasonable prices and are easily available. So the firms following the production concept focus on low the cost of the production by means of mass production. Fine. So its main focus is on large scale production to decrease the cost. Second one is product concept. Product concept means with passage of time, supply improved, customers started looking for the products they were superior in performance, quality and features. Definitely consumer go for the products which are superior in quality. So firms which allow the product concept propose the way to realize the business goal is by making products that are of high quality. So these firms manufacture the products of superior quality, but they must keep in mind that customers will buy the high quality only when they need or want it. Only quality is not enough force. For example, the firm is dealing with very high quality hair dye, but customer will demand it only when they have gray hair, you know. So product concept is like related to quality, performance and features. Fine. Its main focus is good quality added features in the product. Our next concept is selling concept means increase in scale of the production. Competition among the sellers increased, so product quality and availability alone did not ensure survival. मतलब अगर कंपनी जो है प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी और अवेलेबिलिटी शो करती है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कंपनी हमेशा डिमांड में रहेगी. फाइन. As a large number of firms were now selling product of similar quality. So selling concept may be assumed that in the statement selling what you have. So product quality and availability did not ensure. So selling concept means the firm selling concept must know the buyer cannot manipulate it many times. The customer once wrongly convinced can spoil the image of the firm. So selling can succeed in the short run and not in the long run. So its main focus is to sell whatever is produced by using intensive promotional techniques. Again, I am saying by using intensive promotional techniques. Fine. Next one is our marketing concept. It implies that a firm can achieve its goals by identifying needs of the consumers and satisfying them better than competitors. So, customer satisfaction is the precondition for realizing the firm's goals and objectives. Fine. So, marketing concept, they are saying it should follow the following things like identification of marketing, identification of customers, understand the need and wants of the customers, development of product and services for satisfying the needs of the market, satisfying the need of the market better than competitors, and doing all this at a profit. So its main focus is for customers, product satisfaction. Fine. Social market concept. So, what do you mean by it? Under this concept, a customer satisfaction is supplemented by social welfare. So, some products bring harmful effect on environment, so these should not be supplied. It pays attention to the social, ethical, and ecological aspect of marketing. Raman, Joginder, John, Iqbal, and Shreya are friends. They are operating different uses, different businesses. They are operating different businesses. Each one has his own concept regarding operating their business. So, beta, five whether it is 5% or whether it is 100%. So everyone has different concept regarding operating the business. So Raman believe in producing product at large scale, thereby decreasing the average cost of production and selling at a reasonable price. Fine. So all these concept plays very important role. So what is the main focus of social marketing concept? Its main focus is customer satisfaction within ethical and ecological boundaries of our society. Fine. Now, what do you mean by marketing mix? There can be large number of factors that affect marketing decisions that can be classified as non-controllable and controllable factors. Non-controllable factors cannot control these factors, and controllable factors we can control these. So, beta, to be successful, a firm need to take sound decision with whether controllable factors while keeping in environment factors in mind. So controllable factors जो control हो सकते हैं firm के through, for example whether the drink will be packaged in glass bottle or plastic cans. अगर मान लो कोई firm जो है कोई drink बना रही है, जीरा drink या फिर कोई cold drink, we can say soft drink, तो वो किस बोतल में पैक होंगे, प्लास्टिक में या फिर ग्लास बोतल में. फाइन. What will be the name of the drink and at what price it will be sold. Fine. So all these factors plays a vital role in taking decision in controllable factors. ये control किए जा सकते हैं company के through. And non-controllable factors cannot be controlled through the companies, like political factors, government policies, technological or financial collaboration of India, sorry, of soft drink. All these things, fine, plays a vital role in choosing the business because combination of variable chosen by the firm to prepare its market offering is called marketing mix. Fine. So marketing makes affect both the factor controllable and non-controllable factors. Fine, beta. Now, what are the element of marketing mix? There are four element of marketing mix: product, price, physical distribution, or we can say place, and promotion. Let's see first of all product mix. These four are called 4 P's. इसको 4 P's भी बोलते हैं बेटा. फाइन. मार्केटिंग मिक्स क्या होता है पहले तो देखिए. मार्केटिंग मिक्स सेट ऑफ मार्केटिंग टूल्स दैट द फर्म यूज टू परस्यू इट्स मार्केटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. वो सारे मार्केटिंग टूल्स जिससे फर्म लोगों को अपनी तरफ मार्केटिंग की तरफ अट्रैक्ट करती है, वो सब होते हैं आपके मार्केटिंग मिक्स. तो इसमें चार फैक्टर्स हैं: प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस एंड प्रमोशन. ठीक है. प्रोडक्ट में है आपका, देखिए प्रोडक्ट मिक्स में सारी फीचर्स प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड लाइक ब्रांडिंग, पैकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग इसके एलिमेंट्स हैं. और इसमें प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी भी इन्वॉल्व होती है, न्यू प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट भी इन्वॉल्व इन इट. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वन इज आर प्राइस मिक्स. वैल्यू इन ल्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट रिसीव बाय अ सेलर फ्रॉम द बायर. प्राइस मिक्स मतलब जो हम प्राइस सेलर को देते हैं उसका प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए. तो प्राइस मिक्स इन्वॉल्व प्राइस लेवल, मार्जिन, प्राइस पॉलिसी, प्राइस स्ट्रेटेजीज एंड प्राइस चेंज ऑल्सो. फाइन. तो इसके फैक्टर्स हैं कंपनीज ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, कॉस्ट, कंपटीशन एंड कंज्यूमर डिमांड. फाइन बेटा. Next one is promotion mix. Promotion mix means informing the customer about the product and persuade them. कस्टमर्स को प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताना और उन्हें प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए मनाना. This is included in promotion mix. So promotion involved advertising. You know very well, advertisement के थ्रू हम बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट होते हैं किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए. Personal selling, sales promotion, publicity and public relations. So all these things affect or create a vital important role in the marketing mix to persuade consumers to buy the product whatever is produced by the company. Understood? Next one is beta place mix. Place mix means physical distribution, means product को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाना, production की जगह से sale की जगह पर लेकर जाना. So various decisions regarding distribution of product like channel of distribution, whether wholesaler and retailers are to be used or not, physical movement of the product from producer to consumers, and storage, transportation and managing stock, or we can say inventory. So place mix plays a very important role as it includes channel strategy, selection, कि हम क्या strategy यूज करेंगे, क्या हम conveyance यूज करेंगे, भी कौन सा व्हीकल यूज करेंगे प्रोडक्ट को इधर से उधर ले जाने के लिए. If there is any conflict, how do we solve it? How do we make other people cooperate with others and us as well? Fine. How do we physically distribute the product? Physical movement of product from producer to consumers. So all these things plays a vital role in marketing mix. Fine. So marketing mix involve four factors: product, price, place and promotion. Product में features related to product, like we can see product quality, if there is new product, what will be the design of the product, what will be the packaging of the product, how we will label that product, and what will be the branding of that product. Fine. With price, we can say what will be the price level, what are the margins, what is the policy and strategy related to price, and how we will change the price if it is so. If we think that we should change the price, how we'll do so. Fine. Next one is promotion mix. Promotion means promotion of the product, means by informing the customer about the product. So related to advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, publicity and public relation. All these plays a vital role or important part in the promotion. Fine. Next one is our place. Place, you know very well, beta, how the channel of distribution, what will be the channel of distribution, how the physical movement of the product from producer to consumers, and what will be the storage and transportation of the product. Fine. So all these things plays a very important role in selecting the product. And if we are able to select that marketing mix elements perfectly, definitely we will be able to achieve the target set by us in the market. Understood? So your homework is you have to read revise the topics till now, that is given in your book. It is given in your book on page number 100, 13, 14, 15. So you revise the topics of this chapter till page number 116 before branding. Tomorrow we will start branding concept. Fine. Revise it, note down in your fair notebook, and do the case studies regarding or questions related to these topics, whatever I taught you. Fine. And one more thing, beta, keep revising these topics and do the case studies given in your book on page number 110, 111 and 112. That is related to previous topics. I told you that functions of marketing. Okay. And marketing management philosophies and its features. Fine.